Hello everybody, this is Joshua here. I know I look weird, but it's cold, and I'm at my babysitter's. And, oh, yeah, I forgot. We are going to be playing, I'm actually at a place with better internet, so we can play Critical Ops. Oh, never mind. Back to this way. There we go. Ew, my fart stinks. It stinks like a badger. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Yeah, I still have my mom's thing. Okay. I'm not those kind of pros that have a lot of stuff. I'm kind of like those beginners, but I play this game a lot because of my absolute favorite. It's Berklana. Okay. Come on. Go faster. Faster. Faster, faster. Okay, I'm just gonna put you there. No, my. This is the map. Yep. My face. Okay. What? Oh, come on! It's full! I hate it when games do that. Like, it looks full, but it's not. No, that's That's Amsterdam. Here's one. Counter-terrorist. And we're losing. Oh, gosh. Just need to move here for a minute. Damn it. I have to move you back. There we go. Okay. So, I don't know why, but Oh, I joined late. That's why. Oh. Okay. Yeah, there's also a new update that you can, like, inspect your weapons. So, I'll show you in just a minute. Here, let's use the GSR. Yeah, they also changed the look at the GSR. Isn't that awesome? And they've done it for a few guns. Okay. And of course, if you're saying that, oh, Jesus Christ. And if you're saying this game is like, oh my God. And if you're saying this game is like, Gummy Bear. Oh my God, our teammates suck. You guys suck, you know that, right? Wait. Oh, what? Oh wow, he has it on spectate team only, and no free. Oh wow, I hate those kind of people, don't you? Yeah, those people kind of suck. Okay. I have the bomb, so I'm gonna use the AK. Get another GSR, and I wish this is the first weapon that got it in news. That got it a new look to it. I didn't know that was a flashbang. I thought that was just Jesus Christ. They're taking so much time. Ah! Oh, 1 bullet headshot. Also, it's like I'm doing the no map challenge because which one? Just gonna put you right there. Ha 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 ha. I am the guardian. Leave me alone. Ha. I have won. Except that was the last one. That's the only thing I can afford. A flashbang. I only have $50. Ah, they threw one back. Okay. Ah! He just murdered me. What's this server called? Oh, wow, it's a dash. Oh. By the way, I know one YouTuber that plays this game. I don't really know his real name, but in my channel, my real name's always in it. I'm also an MLG Pro, but not at this game. Is at this game called Collation I have. And this is a shotgun that goes over the rates. He not dead! Ah! He used an AK on me. Kill him. What the heck? Sylvie. Did you just see that body flip? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I still got my haircut. Oh my god. Okay. Bear Hamanad. Pistols everywhere. He doesn't even know how to use a shotgun. Ah! Hi. I'm a YouTuber. Okay, I'm a demon, baby. Okay. I shot him in the head. Oh gosh, I forgot that's not the button to reload. Run in here. I don't know why he did that. I don't know why. Hello? 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 Hurry, dude, get in here. Oh, I killed him. Nice job! He's dead. There's 6 of them. Look. Oh. I'm the last one to be alive. Ah! Okay, that's going to be the end of that video, so goodbye. Damn it. Damn it.